These two codes that you're seeing right here, they're for the estimated delivery date. So in case you want to add estimated delivery date to your Shopify product page, these two codes here, they are very much effective. Let me show you and teach you exactly how to use them. The first one is for those that sell the same type of product, or maybe use the same type of supplier, and you only have a certain delivery date for all your products. You can use this first one. But if you have different suppliers and your delivery date differs from product to product, you can use the second one. Now let's go ahead and teach you how to go about this. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your online store just like this, and you come to Teams. Okay. Then once you're in the Teams, you want to hit on Customize. And once you click on Customize, you want to come to your products page. Click on the product. Click on Default Products. Right here is my product page, and if I scroll, you can see that there is no estimated delivery date yet. So I'm not going to come to these templates. Okay, I'm going to come to the product information. I drop this down. Then under the buy buttons, okay, I'm going to go ahead hover around there in between buy buttons and descriptions, or whatever your team's settings is or layout. Just hover around there anywhere you want to put it, and click on this this plus icon, and click on custom liquid. Then it's added. Then want to click on custom liquid. I want to add that code, the first one, which is this, which is to show on, if you want it to show on every page, maybe use the same supplier, okay, and your delivery date is the same. So you want to copy this and paste. And right now it's going to show now. So you see, it's saying estimated delivery 5 to 10 business days. So for every of the product, if you change product from product, it's going to keep showing those 5 to 10 business days. Okay. So like, for example, now let me change this product to this one. You see, it's always showing 5 to 10 business days. So it's going to be showing this. But what about if you want different estimated delivery date for different products? So maybe this one should have another estimated delivery date, and another one also should have. So because they are different suppliers, let's go straight to teach you how to do that. So to do that, what you just need to do is to copy the second code that you're seeing right here. So this is something every beginners can do. Okay, it's very easy. Just copy this code, copy just like that. Come back, and I'm still going to use the same custom liquid. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. Okay. I'm going to change that code. I'm going to paste this code. Okay. Now you can see that it's not yet visible, right? Don't worry. We're going to go through some steps, okay, which are simply easy. The next thing you want to do is just to save this. Okay. Just save it up. Now you want to come back to your Shopify admin just like this. Then you want to click on settings, and you want to look for meta field. And you want to hit on meta fields and meta objects just like this, the meta field and meta objects. Just click on that. Okay. Then once you click that, you want to click on products. Okay. Just click on products. Then you want to add a meta field definition. So you want to click on add definition. And right there, you want to type estimated delivery date in the name. All right. Then in the select type, you want to click that, and you want to select single line text. Okay. Just click on select single line text, and that's all. Just go ahead and save. Now you're done. The next thing now to do is to keep adding it, keep typing the arrival or delivery date to each product page. So what you're going to do next now is to come to products just like this. Just come to any of your products. Okay. So everything is set. It's just for you to be adding it manually, because so far you have different delivery dates for different products. So let's say this product now, for example, and I'm just going to scroll down here. Now you're going to see meta fields. Now before, you're not going to see this in your product page. The reason why we're seeing this is because we've added it right here. Okay, we've added it right here. So now, because we added the meta field here, that is why you're seeing it in the product page. So if you've not done that, this section is not going to be in your products page, okay, at your backend. All right. So now I'm going to say arrival. Okay, that's all. All right, then I'll go ahead and save. So the moment I save it, if I view it now, you see that it's gonna be visible. So now let's scroll. You see, arrives in 4 to 10 business days. All right. Now let's say I want to try another product. So another product. So this is for different products. So let's say we'll say this one is 10 to 21 business days. So just click on it, scroll down. You've already created your meta feed section. So now you can do here as you like. All right. So you can just scroll down here and I say arrives in, in 10 to 21 business. Then I click that, then I hit on save. All right. And I scroll up and I view. So now you see that there will be different. So can you see this one is 10 to 12, 21 business days? Why this one is 4 to 10 business days. So this is exactly how you can use this code. All right. But I mean, I only use the first code. Maybe I only use this one. Okay. This one here is going to show 5 to 10 for all the products. So meaning I'm using the same supplier, but if you're using different suppliers, it's better that you maybe different products, different supplier. It's better you use this one. So you now start adding them by yourself. So whenever you are so whenever you're customizing your products, you just scroll down and easily just add the arrival date in the part, all right? But you need to first make sure that you add it to your meta field, just like this, okay? Because if you do not do that, it's not going to be visible in your product page, all right? And also you need to be careful of the code, so make sure that it's estimated delivery date, okay? Custom estimated delivery date, because if it's different, maybe you wrote estimated date delivery, it's not really going to show here, okay? You can see it says custom estimated delivery date. So if yours is estimated date delivery, you need to change this part. Okay, just copy this and you can paste it here. All right, just paste it here and you're good to go. So this is exactly how you can use the estimated delivery date Shopify code. All right. And if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this on my channel. And please like this video, even if you don't want to subscribe, like so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people who will need something just like this, and share it with your friends and family or your group so that they can also learn with this. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.